For today's Everyday AI, we're going to do some summarization. So let's go back to our example of scholarships. Let's say you come to this page and there's a whole bunch of stuff here. And maybe I'm not the kind of person who, likes bulleted. I prefer narratives, that sort of thing. So let's say we're going to come in here and we're going to want to summarize this content. So I could say summarize the following into the most important things to know when applying for this scholarship. Then I'm going to come back down here and I'm going to grab just as much text as I can here, and I'm going to paste that into the thing, and let's see what it does. So I just said summarize all of this text. I need it in a more concise version. Tell me what I really should be focusing on. So let's see what it does here. All right, here are the most important things to know. The application window is currently closed, at least at the time of this writing. That's true. The scholarship can only be applied for Greenbelt and not the case study format. Okay, that's important to know. Incomplete applications will not be considered. Each applicant must submit their own. Completing the yellow belt is not a requirement, etc., etc. Avoid the following scenarios. It's interesting. It didn't quite summarize. It's sort of just restating, right? It took a lot of text and turned it back into a lot of text. So when this is done writing, I'm going to ask it to be more concise. Um, let's see here. And it shortened the answer here. So, okay. So edit the response to only 3 concise paragraphs. So I didn't give it a format before. I just said summarize this. It didn't do that. It kind of gave me a different formatted thing. So I'm asking it now. I want paragraphs instead. So let's see. It's designed to support staff. To be eligible for the scholarship, you must have XYZ. If awarded the scholarship, recipients may be asked to partner with another person by accepting the scholarship. You're acknowledging, et cetera, et cetera. So it summarized it. Whether it did a great job or not, it's debatable. If I were more specific in my prompt and I said summarize the section about applying for the scholarship, summarize the section about what makes a good project, that might be something that that could have sharpened my response. But you can see how you can take a large chunk of text. You could take a policy document, for example. You can drop it into different AI tools, and you can ask it to, tell me what are the most important points. Tell me what are the implications here with regards to policy language or privacy or different things, right? So that's just another idea, something you can try out.